Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to talk about situation with crypto market and stock market in general. Like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. When I'm opening Finviz, we can see the stock market generally it's crushed, but the most of them are crushed minus 2% Microsoft, Nvidia 4.89%, Google close to 2%, Meta close to 4, Apple 3.45. Generally, a lot of stocks are crushed, but this is little crush. Yes, Tesla crushed minus 5, Amazon also minus 5. And you can see the list of stocks. The Levy has been crushed, for example, minus 12.55%. Here, this one is Coinbase Exchange stock minus 7.75% crush. About crypto, when I'm opening CoinGlass and liquidation head map in 24 hours, we can see liquidation. Bitcoin, $5.79 billion long liquidation, and Ethereum, 4.44%, $4.44 billion. And for 24 hours, we can see generally liquidation is $19 billion. Wow, wow, wow. And long liquidation 60 million. Short liquidation only 2.51 billion. And when I'm opening the exchanges, the top one is Hyperliquid, around $10 billion liquidation. Bybit, the second place with 4.65, OKX $1 billion, by Binance 2.41. So anyways, this is information about crush. So stock and crypto market has been crushed at the same time, but S&P 500 index crushed only minus 2.71%, and for me it is not crush. About Bitcoin, in momentum it's crushed from 125,000 to the $108,000. Okay, let's open Bitcoin USDT. In momentum it has been crushed minus 19%, but it's recovered quickly plus 9%. About Starknet, it's crushed so deep, and let's see how much percent crushed from this point. It's crushed minus 83%. Look, it's really impressive. Wow, wow, wow. And after a while, about recovery, how much percent recover quickly, and it happened in one day, just in 15 minutes, for example, plus 304% from this point. That's really incredible. Atom Cosmos has been crushed from $4 to the here 0.0. Like, wow, 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 it's crushed to the zero. It's really incredible. Look, 0.001. Wow, 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 it's really incredible. And if I take from here, let's see how much percent recovers. Someone, maybe the big capital who bought here, they have profit around 83,000%. What's going on? 83,000% profit from Atom Cosmos just in 15 minutes. When I'm opening 1 minute time frame, what we can see here, here is the only squeeze, and after a while price here to the 1.93, and later it becomes 3.25. But anyways, this quiz you can catch in the case when you have already placed order before happening. So if you placed order to the 0 0.5, and if the price going to crash with squeeze, even squeeze, there are some exchanges that really could work. Your order could be executed, and you can have pretty good profit, pretty incredible profit. But of course, 99% of people didn't wait to crash like this, or I can say 99.99% people never know that even Atom Cosmos could be crushed to the 0.050, for example. For example, Ethereum is crushed minus 27%, Mavia crushed minus 56%, OpenDoor Technology stock has been crushed minus 7%, but if I take from this high to here in current, it is minus 30%. About Virgin Galactic, it's not crushed and it's only 0.74% plus, but in momentum, yes, if I take from here to squeeze to here, it's minus 12%, but Virgin Galactic also grows from this point to here already plus 49%. My recommendation: to hold your positions and never panic. Panic selling is not good idea. For example, Dogecoin, Polkadot has been crushed minus 84% and recover pretty quick plus 367%. It's really incredible, and it's crushed here up to like 64 cents. But current price is $3.25. BNB crushed from here to here in momentum minus 35%, but recover already plus 30%. For example, there is Zcash cryptocurrency that it's move against the market and it's not crushed and it's grow in momentum 1253% from this point, like $25. But if I go deeper to the $1692 and then see the results, it will be 1600% in momentum, but right now it's 1458%. So let's do more accuracy. Okay, like 1400%. Okay, imagine if your average entry point is around $38, then you have profit 580% right now. So that's it, and let's see the weekly time frame, the Zcash. Look, it returns to the highs of 2022, 2021. Yes, it's not reached the all-time high of 2021, but Zcash could be go higher. Here is why. So this is a full chart of Zcash. You can see here is a high of 2017 and the high is around like $886. So I'm waiting for minimum so to reach this high, and this high already reached, so I can say. And let's go, the next one will be here at 881. I think it's realistic in my opinion again, like 774. Okay, and even it could be go higher because of this listing, but again this one may be in fantastic, just it's maybe in dreams, but it could be reality. There is a chance, there is a little chance to see the reality like this, but again this is market and it could be possible. It could be possible. Of course, a lot of people are not believe that Zcash could be rich in one moment, for example $20,000 or $30,000, but it could be possible. But again, the first thing, let's reach here to the $900, 1000, and then think about higher points. Okay, this is about Zcash. But investing and buying Zcash right now, it's the big mistake that people will do. So of course, a lot of people will make a big mistake and buy in the grid globally and locally. It's on the grid and it's already once more growth more than 1000%, and people will jump and hurry up to buy Zcash. Of course, people are not understand how market works. Of course, if I open 2 hour time frame, yes, in momentum Zcash also crushed, but I can say it's not crushed. It's crushed. Yes, it's crushed minus 40%. Okay, okay, no problem. It's crushed, but the price has been returned the same place, so I can say it's not crush. Big capital, don't let Zcash to crush and stay on here. About Ripple XRP, it's crushed to the here 1.28 in momentum and then recover back to 2.47. And let's see how much percent already profit. Here 92% profit. And if I see the crush percent from here to here, it is minus 54%. Let's see that for daily time frame XRP crush and it didn't return to here. About XRP healthcare, it's almost returned to this point, and I was recommended to buy XRP healthcare in my Telegram channel when it's crushed to this point. I recommend it. I say buy XRP healthcare, but of course now it's $0.036 already. And how much you cover from this point? Of course, it's around 42% recovery. So you can still buy if you never invested in XRP healthcare. This price is also could be good entry point in my opinion again. XLM's crushed minus 61%. So minus 61% and recover pretty quickly again to the 0.32. Alright guys, let's give you few recommendations about stocks. For example, so you can buy Rivian Automotive, so because in the long time it's crush and accumulation here, there is a beautiful accumulation, and globally this price on the bottom and its moment of crush, there is a fair and this is good chance. This is leading company of electrical cars. Rivian Automotive, it's electrical cars in United States, and you can make your investment buying in current price and you will have minimum 1249% of profit, but you need to be only patient and wait to get your profit. Okay, let's update. It's crushed here, and from current point to this high it's almost 1300%. Okay, Fiverr International, it's also pretty good entry point and beautiful accumulation here, and it's also crushed. And yes, 2.61 is not crush like, but it's still in extreme fair, and I recommend to buy and accumulate in this lowest point. So how much percent of profit is possible to see here? It's around 1045% here and 1307% if the price will reach to the $336. You can also buy Ring Central stock and potential 1500%. Again, for long-term investment, guys, you couldn't get big profit on this in short time of period. Maybe if the parabolic gain will be started and just in 1 year to reach 1500%, then okay, it could be possible. But again, I'm not focused on it, just long-term investment. There is also another stock like 8x8 technology and technology services package software, and potential here will be 2000%, 2059, and here is a beautiful accumulation, and I recommend to include this stock in your portfolio. Perrigo company here, Perrigo company, it's health technology and pharmaceutical, and this stock is also good for investment and long-term investment. Potential here 873%, but please keep in mind that the all-time high was been at 2015, and after a while this stock in the long time of crash, but here look, there's accumulation. So this is accumulation and it's showing that this stock is not died, and this stock is just in accumulation in the long time period. And plus this stock is dividend stock, you can get dividends from investing, but here dividend payout ratio is minus 202%. So it's up to you to include this stock in your portfolio or not, but I'm showing you examples. B&G Foods also could be a good example, and you can earn 1000% again in long term. Yes, here is a crash, but I think it's part of accumulation. This is consumer non-durables, food major diversified company, and it's also paying dividends, but payout ratio is minus 26%. Alright, it's already 16 minutes of my video. Thanks for watching. If you find my video helpful, then like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to support my channel. What is my recommendation? Always have USDT, free USDT in your portfolio to get ready to buy in the case of scenario of crash minus 50% or something like this. Yes, this crash and recover happened immediately, but who already placed order before happening this, and then they could buy the different altcoins. So okay, feel free to watch my Telegram channel, link down below in the description, or here you can see in my bio of YouTube channel, and also feel free to watch my other videos. Alright guys, see you in the next video, and bye bye.